Hey guys, I wanted to buy another pound of red wiggler worms, and Uncle Jim's was sold out, and so were a bunch of other places. So I found this place called Buckeye Organics, and I decided to give them a try. So the worms came just 2 days after they were shipped, and wanted to weigh them out, see how much they came out to be, and with the bag, the bedding, and the worms and everything came out to be about 2 pounds 7 ounces, so about 2.5 pounds. It comes in this sturdy sort of plastic bag and a little zip tie. And the first impression I had when opening up the bag is that there were a lot of worms moving around in the bag. You can't really see in that shot. I dropped them in the bin, and boy, they were wriggling around. They had plenty of vim and vigor, which I was really pleased to see. I thought we'd take a deep dive into the bedding just to see how hard the worms really have to work to get into the soil. Look at these guys. They are really working hard to get down there. It's so fascinating watching how they scrunch about all those little segments to move through the bedding. I want to apologize ahead of time for my shaky camera work. I'm still trying to figure out how to do this close-up video with the least amount of shaking. It gets really pronounced later on when I speed things up, so I hope you have your Dramamine on board, because you're going to go for a little ride a little bit later in this video. I'm going to play a little background music so you can enjoy the footage of the worms working their way into their new home. I understand I'm not allowed to use copyrighted music, so I'll do the best I can, which is to play a little music that my daughter and I generated ourselves. This is when she was, oh gosh, probably 6 or 7 years of age, a long time ago, and we're playing a little duet on the piano. Now again, if this is a bit too much noise for you, just turn off the volume for the next minute or two and watch in silence and peace.
This is Lada, the amazing girl, playing Buckeye on Broadway. Or saying Boogie on Broadway with Mommy, the producer of the melody. Okay, but let's try.
So Buckeye Organics seems like a real nice place to work with. They sent me confirmation emails when it shipped. I ordered on a Sunday. They shipped on a Tuesday. I received the worms on a Thursday. Everything went really smoothly. They came alive, plump, healthy, wriggling around, and ready to go. So I think I would recommend using Buckeye Organics, as far as I can tell. I hope this helps anybody who is thinking about ordering from them. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.